We would like to invite our guest speaker for the day, a seed investor at Doom Technology Private Singapore, member of CI Gujarat State Council, member from 2021 to 22, CI Gujarat MSME and Vendor Development Panel, co-convener 2020-21, CI Gujarat MSME vendor, CI Gujarat member of Task Force on Policy Advocacy, Finance, Skill Development, CI Gujarat State Council for Defense and Aerospace as well, and Young Indians Ahmedabad chapter representative, a member of the Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, a member of Indo-Italian Chamber of Commerce, an alumni of Manipal Institute of Technology with civil engineering and higher studies from ISB Hyderabad. He was instrumental in assigning Man Singh, a very innovative designer from NID, Ahmedabad, into HO Furniture, which led to create products of international stature and helped in inking a collaboration with Mickey Astoria from Italy, which in turn has made them an international brand and has been a regular exhibitor in Milan, one of the fashion capitals of the world. They have bagged huge orders from both government and private organizations because of their advanced technology in Air Series. He's in charge of PR and communications for their O&R campaign of furnitures with fabric. As a part of social responsibility, he is also nurturing Samvedna Trust, which engages with women who make crafts with upcycled products. He also mentors and helps budding entrepreneurs to get onto the mainstream. Please welcome the innovative director from HO Furniture Systems Private Limited, Mr. Dhruvin Patel.
Thank you everyone for inviting me today and giving the opportunity. It will be great for myself to interact with the bright minds, and I always take initiative to get connected with new entrepreneurs and initiate idea sharing among us. See, basically, entrepreneurship is what it doesn't come in blood. Normally, what we say कि मारवाड़ी का लड़का है तो उसको पहले से धंधा आता है. It is not like that, to be frank. What I have seen and from my experience, I am telling you. I myself am a civil engineer by profession. I studied civil engineering because it was my love for the buildings and structures, how it was made. And though we are also into real estate and construction, I do a part of my time in guiding them the way forward. So my journey started in 2013 when I entered the business. I am the second generation in the business. This is a family enterprise, and the seed of HOF was sown in 1986. So the basic idea how we started was very simple and desi जुगाड़. What we tell in India is जैसा अपने घर के लिए बनाना है वैसा बेचना है. Very simple fundament. And there was none of a graduate or a highly qualified technical person in our family. No one was studied more than MCOM or LLB. So how we started in 1986 was we started manufacturing steel furniture with allowing standards to be followed and providing highly durable products in the market. So we had a good track record, and we started building our good product line, taking help of NID designers and from SEPT as well. Up till 2002, we were doing very well, and till then we were under another brand name that was Swadeshi. But in 2002, 2003, we realized the world is going towards another axis altogether, because in India, it is a fascination that when a name is out of the box, then only you will be respecting that brand. So that was how we started. My uncle, who was traveling in US at that time, he got this inspiration from Subway. While Subway is selling that sandwiches for $4 or $5, the one who's selling the same sandwich outside it was selling for like pennies. And the major difference was respect in the consumers. While we had demonstrated delivering good products at good rates, see, whenever quality is there, there are input costs involved in it. So it is like आप gold ले रहे हो तो every place you will be getting the same price. If you are getting below the gold normal gold standard prices, there will be of course something लोचा है उसमें, सही है. So then in 2003 we aggressively launched HOF with major rebranding, and HOF basically stands for Home and Office Furniture, HOF. There we started with a plant in Changodar, that is on main Rajkot Ahmedabad highway. It is very niche area. Why we went there was to give a major push to our brand and to consolidate it all our three manufacturing facilities we had in the other part of the cities. So there we started with 1,70,000 square feet of space, and today we have expanded it up to 4,50,000 square feet. And right now, HOF is present in 450 destinations in India, covering major parts of India, and two international stores. One is in Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, and one is in Kathmandu. This journey was done step by step and very organically. Up till 2013, after 10 years, when I entered the business, we were already designing our furniture with getting specialized onboard designers for the industrial products. So that is basically industrial designing, which is used for designing the product, furniture products. So then I realized while I entered, we have to go to the next step. When Italy is known to be the center of design in the world, my first trip in 2013 for a month was in Milan, where I observed how the market is going. The design altogether is an industry. And the main thing from start, as any company was ready to invest, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs won't be a big amount at that time. But as we are Indian, our products needs to have that Indian connect. We make our products which we ourselves call, to be frank, it's an idiot proof product. Why? I'll be very clear about it, because in India there is 130 crores of population. Every community, every corner of the city or a country, state has different lifestyle, different style of using the product. So we design as such कि उसको हम idiot proof बना देते हैं. So that is why we need Indian expertise to build that products and an international taste. So we got Mansingh, who's an Indian and who has worked with Italian brands aggressively in his past, and then thereafter we got him in Ahmedabad full time as a HOF design director, and now every product is designed by him and approved by him. So what we have done, while you are getting any resources on your board, आप कभी भी कोई आदमी लाते हो, अगर आप उनको औजार नहीं दोगे, you won't give him weapons, how he is gonna fight. So in designers, what normally happens that when they make designs, majorly वो डिजाइन कभी आता ही नहीं है, वो रियलिटी में कभी बनता ही नहीं है. So what we did, we set up a 10,000 square feet mini factory inside our manufacturing facility, where he was allowed to design and make the products. So thereafter we started and pushing it aggressively. We launched Air series, that was nearly in 2015. Those are advanced technology chairs, this air circulation, BIFMA standards, everything are done. And now we have scaled it up. We are present on what we call is neo model, that is brick and mortar stores. Along with, we also have e-tailers. Those are online stores which are available with Amazon, with Flipkart, and our own store, that is shop.hofindia.com. So when the online came in, I would just like to go a bit. When online came in, the furniture industry was very panic mode. Why? Because Amazon and everyone else was selling at heavy discount. We saw it as an opportunity. We didn't want to believe that it's gonna hinder our business, because it was giving convenience to your customers only. So it won't. वो उल्टा करेगा, आपका सेल ज्यादा बढ़ा रहा है. It's just you have to see how you gonna separate both channels, because both mindsets will be different. There are many instances when इन नेक्स्ट लेन से जो हमारा स्टोर है उसके नेक्स्ट लेन से ऑर्डर्स आते हैं ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज इट इज ओनली ड्यू टू कन्वीनियंस। लोगों को बाहर निकलना नहीं है, जाना नहीं है सिलेक्शन करने, so that is what. So that's how ये पूरा robust structure खड़ा किया, and we started and we are pushing it, and now we also got into, before 3 years we got into healthcare industry, and touch wood, we due to hospital orders what we had on our hand during the COVID time, the company did very well. So you have to start स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एक एक प्रोडक्ट में जब आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है, यू कांट मूव अहेड एंड यू कांट इवन गो इन द मार्केट. एंड रिगार्डिंग मार्केटिंग, व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू से, इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि आप एडवर्टीजमेंट करो और आपका प्रोडक्ट बिकेगा. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट, बिकॉज यू हैव टू डिलीवर व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. आपको एड देखने से आपको एक बार मन होएगा कि यू विल गो, यू विल बाय इट. व्हेन यू एंड अप बाइंग इट एंड योर फीडबैक, आपका यूजर एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं है, इट विल डू वेरी बैड. व्हाट वी बिलीव, आप एक क्लाइंट खराब होता है तो वो 10 को लेके जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, अ यूनिक एक्सपेरिमेंट व्हाट वी डिड, every director of the company has to be hooked on the email ID of customer care department. जहाँ सबसे ज्यादा कंप्लेन आ रही है, आपके क्लाइंट्स आपको चिल्ला रहे हैं, कुछ भी बोलेंगे, वो आपको सबको सुनना पड़ेगा, and everyone has to do firefighting on it. That's why every director is hooked on. And to be frank, that has given us very good advantage. I will give you single example. Uh, a delivery was done through Amazon, I guess, and it was in Chennai in 2019. The manager, he was the manager of a BMW showroom in Chennai. He had ordered a chair worth of around 4,400 to 4,500 rupees. And when he received it, it was broken or something damage in logistics, it was. So I was hooked on to the mail ID, and he had dropped a mail. I was like, sir, don't worry. Just use the chair right now. We are sending you a new chair. Don't worry. So we just send it. फिर से logistics में खराब हुआ. You know how Indian roads are. तीसरा चेयर भेजा, उनको वही रिप्लाई किया कि डोंट वरी, विल बी सेंडिंग यू अ न्यू चेयर, आपको टेंशन लेने का जरूरत नहीं. एंड राइट नाउ in 2019, when I didn't had a store over there, HOF didn't had a store over there. In 2020, before Corona, the BMW showroom of Chennai is done by HOF, the loose furniture part. But this is how the customer observes you. When वो आपका जो ब्रांड है, that is more of a perception. They see you as a human being. So आप जो बोल रहे हो आपको डिलीवर करना पड़ेगा. That is how customers will build on. And as history has said, mouth to mouth publicity is the strongest word, and that is what everyone's well wishes has given us this edge in the market right now. And I would like to go to the second point now. ये तो चलता रहेगा, you will have to, लंबा हो जाएगा सेशन बाद में. I like to go to the next point regarding the how to utilize your alumni network. I myself, I got an admission in Gujarat just due to the reason I wanted to network with nationally. So I went to MIT Manipal, and that was my personal decision, just because there I get to meet lots of people from different area with different mindset, and they'll be having numerous network of their own. But even after going 4 साल आप कॉलेज चले गए, you had your college life, you good, आपको ग्रेड्स अच्छे आ गए, आप निकल गए, बाद में क्या, you have to be connected with them, right? How? See, you have to take mutual interest. You have to take personal interest, and you are taking personal interest in your good friend. See, there are good friends, there are good mentors. Even in college, आपके colleagues भी आपके mentors बन सकते हैं. Right now in Ahmedabad and across India, there are very good friends of mine who are from different industry, and we are very frank about our transactions. We can anytime call them, but how? Till now, before I came in I didn't knew कि ऐसे सब forums होते हैं, to be frank, because I was very busy in building up the business and growing it. But I was connected with my alumni friends that was from ISB as well and from MIT as well. So what I would suggest for EDI alumni to do is gather around with mutual special interest groups. We have it in CI as well right now. YI is our wing where special interest groups are made. One is venture capitalist group, one is equities group, one is books. So that is how you connect your like-minded people. So that is a bridge which will be connecting to your colleague, whether वो first batch से है, fourth batch से या 15th batch से या XYZ. But that interest of yours will keep you connected, and that is how you will be able to develop a mentor-mentee relationship, and that will make you grow more. And it is not a age barrier as well. Myself, I am very young than Vinod Bhai, but Vinod Bhai is a mentor to me, to be frank. And we share a very frank and transparent conversations, uh, just because we know that ये मेरे को गलत रास्ते पे नहीं जाएगा. Why? That is when you build a trust on a bridge, right? There has to be a common single point where any two members will be meeting and interacting. So I would suggest strongly that you can build mutual interest groups and WhatsApp groups हो सकते हैं. बाद में आप you can set up good events and thereafter you can carry on. But keep on doing it. इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ सीजनल थिंग कि कोरोना आया है अभी वापस हो गया तो ऑनलाइन वापस इंटरेक्शन चालू करेंगे वो सब ग्रुप्स में, और जब वापस नॉर्मल हो जाएगा तो एवरीवन विल बी बिजी इन देयर वर्क. इट इज नॉट हाउ दैट शुड बी. You have to be keep on connected. Hi, hello, your greetings for marriages, anniversaries, how's your work, XYZ. So that is how what I would suggest regarding it. And I would like to conclude. And if any questions, I would like to take up.
Thanks a lot for that enlightening words, Mr. Dhruvin. It definitely gives us a composite thought process as to how we should take further our alumni, how to bridge the gap between a mentor and a mentee. And definitely we look forward for your fruitful words. Thanks a lot. I would like to call upon Mr. Mayur. Can we have the questions in the last, or how do we do it?
You can take questions for the speaker, I think. Bhavya has raised.
Sure.
Hello, Dhruvin sir. Good evening. Thank you so much for such good insights, sir. I am Bhavya from Batch 18 Development Studies. Sir, one question I have with regards to Samvedna. Can you please share a bit of it and like what you do in that?
Samvedna is a trust based out of Ahmedabad, and so it's owned by, it's run by one of my very good friend's mother. So that's how we connected. I went to them. See, we have lots of wastage at our factory, which we have to scrap, and it goes for pennies. Like we have to just throw it away. And there are few stitching machines as well. And I got to know that they have an initiative where they empower women, and they do skill development for them. Just say they earn and they sell those things, and they earn their livelihood. So that is how we started. We also involved Mansingh a bit in it to design few products for them. And there's a separate vertical in Samvedna called Udgriv, which is for the women empowerment. So we donated few machines, and periodically we started sending waste of our materials, cloth materials, which are usable in those products. We sort it at our factory, and thereafter they stitch it and they sell it off. So there was an innovative product what they made. There's a mesh chair. In your chairs normally back में वो net रहता है. So those nets are made from fish net webbing, and it's very strong. So they got with an idea कि उसका let's make a bag out of it to go and purchase vegetables. See, lots of people, everyone doesn't go to supermarket right now कि वहाँ से वो bags देंगे, and you can. Majorly people in India carry those bags. वो आके क्या करते हैं बाद में वो फ्रिज में रखना होता है. So these bags with net, when you make it, उसमें आप सब्जी लेके आते हो, आप घर आते हो, you wash it in through the net only, और वो पूरा net dry करके आप पूरा बैग ही अंदर रख सकते हो, and it can use as a storage thing. So that is how we started, and they make lots of products. अभी tie dye में भी product वो लोग खुद fusion करके बनाते हैं. So it's very well.
Samvedana, Dhruvin, you're talking of Samvedana. I think Yash mother.
Yes, yes.
And incidentally, just for your information, Yash and his younger brother both have been at EDI. They both have been, though they both have attended summer camps.
Okay.
And Hiten Bhai has, he happens to be my good friend. And Janki Ben has been doing wonderful work in Samvedana. I think we will, Bhavya, you let me know later on, and we'll be delighted to connect you with her. Great, very good.
Yes, Akshay.
Akshay. Akshay, you can speak.
Okay, so am I audible? Okay. Good evening, sir. I'm Akshay Bajaj from 19th batch of EDI. So you told about that you spent some time in Milan, right? So Italy is known for luxury goods, right? So mostly citizens from China, Hong Kong, Macau, and Singapore, whenever they want to go for shopping for luxury goods and other things, they'll prefer Italy over anywhere else in the world. So you also went there, you saw the private labels as well as designer labels. So how did you differentiate between Indians and the preferences of Indians and these Chinese?
Indians, see, as an Indian, we are very fascinated about global brands and luxurious brands. There are major, if you know LVMH Group, which owns Christian Dior, Louis Vuitton. Their major sales is done in like India, China, Russia. Right. So it's not that कि सिर्फ वहाँ luxury goods का designing होता है. Any good product which is made well using best products and for looking at its durability. See, design, it's not expensive. ऐसा नहीं है कि design expensive ही रहता है. Even changing the color, changing the mold, very small things can really change the aspect of looking at it. जैसे normal t-shirt is cotton का t-shirt ले लो आप, ठीक है? So that is used for regular use. If you want to use it for a gym, what you will buy? A dry fit, right? So a small engineering done in fabrics, it gives a different perspective of usage. It is the same thing like iPhone and Vivo right now. A normal buyer, what they would think कि भैया मैं हर साल नया Vivo लूँगा. The one who knows technology well, or I think major Apple users, what they do कि Apple ले लेते हैं 3 साल. It won't be worn out at all if you are using well. So there are two different type of customers where you are targeting. Apple is targeting the up end, while the Samsung is targeting the lower end. But see, when you are on the upper end, Apple को Samsung से कोई डर नहीं है, but Samsung को नीचे से Vivo है, Oppo, everyone are eating up their market share. So you have to decide on which end you have to go. In India, in our industry, I would say major industry players are moving away from manufacturing. Imports ले लेते हैं या किसी के और के पास से OEM बनवा लेते हैं. But see, when you are designing there, उसमें पसीना जाता है and time is there, and even economics. So if you are ready, then I think design has to be pushed. And while choosing the designer in Italy, जो आपने पूछा, see, as I said, एक आप नॉर्मल फर्नीचर इटली से उठा के इंडिया लाते हो, तो उसका जो नॉर्मल सोफा डेप्थ है, सोफा का एक सीट का डेप्थ रहता है, दैट इज वेरी हाई, तो ज्यादा लंबा रहता है, क्योंकि वहाँ 6 फुट इज द नॉर्मल एवरेज साइज ऑफ अ पर्सन, वाइल इंडिया 5.5 फीट इज एवरेज हाइट. So you need to make those products Indianized, those design Indianized. So that is how we choose Mansingh. As he had global exposure, he had worked with Riyadh as well. He had worked with Herman Miller as well on a few normal products, and he worked with Art Dinox as well. So उनको international exposure design का idea था, but his heart is Indian. So Indianness भी आना पड़ता है उसमें touch में, joineries में, as I said. Yes.
Thanks a lot, Dhruv Patil ji, for giving that as exposure as to what has to be customized according to the specific geographies.